Hey everybody, it's Tawny here at the Lampman Library. I am just going to unbox this month's Makerspace Kit that I received from Southeast headquarters, and it is a Cricut. So we had a Cricut in December, liked it, and only had it for, I think it was about 2.5 weeks before we had to send it back. Liked it so much that I ordered another one because there was the third kit was available, because they went out and bought a new one. So when the kits show up, they come in our van run, and my van run day is Mondays. So when I come to work on Tuesdays, this is what I get, and I get to unbox it. So I was waiting so that I could make a video so I could show you the unboxing of a Makerspace kit. So here it is. It always comes with an instruction manual at the beginning, and it tells you right there, this is intended for 14 and up. If you're 13 or 12 and you seem a little bit more adept at technology, and I'm here, we can probably work something out, okay? Because I do have the teen programming that is set up. So it comes with a book, and it tells you what's all in the kit. So when I get it, I like to go through the kit to make sure that everything is there before we actually start using it. That way I know for sure everything is right. All right, so with this kit, we get a laptop, and I believe there's an iPad in here. I suppose I should have looked in the manual first, but yeah, here we go. We have the laptop, and that's to connect to the Cricut Explorer 2 machine, because you have to use what's called a Cricut Design Space, and I think it's already uploaded onto the computer. So I have a computer, I have a charge cord, I have a mouse pad, I have a mouse, and then let's check out this. Oh, no, it might not be in this one. Okay, which is fine, because I think the iPad comes separate. Okay, bubble wrap, don't pop the bubbles, librarians, because we need that. Okay, there it is. This will be the iPad, and this one goes with the Cricut Joy. So I actually was, oh yeah, this one doesn't have a holder. So what I've done is, the iPad that I'm using is our personal iPad here at the Lampman Library. I've downloaded the Cricut Joy app that you use in order to send your projects to the machine. Okay, so some charge cords and plug-ins. That one's for the laptop. No, that's for the Explorer Air. Sorry, this one's for the Joy. So that gives us power. So we make sure that everything's in there. They sent us all the tools that you need. So there's like the lifter and the peeler and the tweezers and a little thing there. And I'm gonna pause because I think I have a customer. Okay, I'm back. I just had to take a quick pause. Okay, so we went through that, and we have all of the, oh, they actually have the names: spatula, weeder, scraper, scissors, and tweezers. So that comes with it, and that's to get your projects off of the sticky mats, which is very important. So we're actually going to pull out, this is, I've shown this quickly on a video before, the Cricut Joy. It's super, super small, compact, but it does a lot, like a lot of things. I was actually pretty impressed with the amount of projects that you could do with the Cricut Joy. So then, of course, we get accessories. This is the Ultimate Fine Point Pen Set, and that's for the Explorer Air machine. So look at all those colors. So if you're drawing anything, you can make it as colorful as you need to, or not at all. And because this is for programming, they give us multiple tools. So these are the cutters. We have a ton of donated cardstock. We used to have a bunch of people that were doing scrapbooking in the community, and once they got out of scrapbooking, they would donate all their papers to us. So we have a lot of awesome pattern papers to do a bunch of projects on. So these are the cutters that you can use, and they come with like measuring so that you can get the exact measurement of the paper that you need to get cut for specific projects. So I'm hoping that you can still hear me. More bubble wrap. You save that. And don't pop it. Another bag. See? Multiples. Scissors. And these are the glue tape things. Instead of using actual glue out of a bottle, it lies flat. It's like tape, but it's double-sided tape-ish. And it makes things stick a lot better. All right, so now here comes the main part. And it's actually, yeah, it's quite heavy. But I can, oh, this one's a pretty color. I think the last one was a different color. So this one is, and yeah, we'll just close that like that. That's the Cricut Explorer Air, there it is. Cricut Explorer Air 2. That's the machine that we use. I know that Cricut has come out with an Air 3, I think it is. So a lot of the accessories that you can buy, like in Walmart, they're for the 3. So you have to really pay attention if you yourself have bought a 2. I know the 2s were on sale over the Christmas holidays. So, and then the headquarters, when they put this together, they do send us with some papers. So in addition to the papers that I have, they send some papers, but they do let you know that you should only use what you need. So because I have my own paper, I won't be using this. That way for the next library that uses it, and I'll probably put my scraps in here too. Oh wow, they do have, yeah, this is what I was looking for, is all of the mats. Because when you're doing your projects on Cricuts, you have to be able to put them onto the mats. So this one, the big green one, is for the Cricut Explorer Air 2, and the little one is for the Cricut Joy. So they're the width that the machine is in. So you put your project on there and it'll either cut out if that's the project that you're doing, or it'll draw whatever you're wanting on that paper. In addition to those accessories, because when we do projects with the Joy, I'm testing it to see if maybe we here at Lampman Library might be interested in buying a Joy for use in the library here. So I have bought the card mat, and that's so that you can make like a birthday card or Christmas card or whatever. So you can take some of the paper like that they give you here, or our paper that we have. You get the proper measurement, you cut using these into the proper measurement, and then you can fold it over and use that as your card and put it in the card mat, put it through the Joy. It'll cut out or write out what you need. You can just do the simple insert, the one page, and that can go in your card as well. There are several, not several, there are a ton of helpful tutorial videos on YouTube, also on Creative Bug, and there is, I think there's a subscription based with the design space. It's called Cricut Access, I believe. So we won't be using that. We will just be using whatever the free templates are. But if you watch some of those videos, a lot of the people that are showing you their projects, they will make what's called an SVG file, and they'll usually put the link for that if it's free underneath their YouTube video, so you can just access that and do the project that they're showing you. We'll see what happens. The teen programming will be every Wednesday from 4 to 5. So if you're needing something for maybe homework, or you have a family member that has a birthday coming up or anniversary and you want to make a card, come on down. We'll have it all set up for those days. Adults, you can come in anytime from, I believe it's Thursday afternoons I have for the, no, Thursday mornings up to the kids time. I have the Tuesdays and the Thursdays are the kids programming. That just to come and hang out after school, and they can play on computers or color or play with games. The school-age children will not be able to use the Cricut, unfortunately, but I will have probably some things like with the scrap paper set out for them that they can like use for origami projects and stuff like that. So that's the unboxing of the Makerspace Kit, the Cricut. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll show you some finished projects for the next video when I unbox the next Makerspace Kit. We'll just do a rewind of some of the projects that were completed with this one. All right, thank you for watching.